I have been looking for you. The boss told us to make an example book of all the forms we use in the office.
I hate making example books. It is too boring.
You have to be motivated and do what the boss says. It will only take 2 hours and we will be done. If you stay motivated, I will buy you a bagel from the Sweet and Treat.
I am going to fall asleep. We would not have to do this if the others would pay attention during the training. Plus I don't want a bagel. I hate the bagels from the Sweet and Treat.
It will be fun. You should be happy to help the others in the office. Plus if you don't help me, the NCO said you have to do push-ups. You know I am the senior PFC.
I don't want to do push-ups. I should be senior PFC, but those bastards screwed me out of my time. You are an asshole and I will help you with the stupid books.
Yay, you're motivated now, I am so happy.
You are a pain in the ass and I can't wait for October when you PCS.